Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Again, I'm here with a new vlog of Baga Beach for you guys, and I'm just chilling and sitting at Baga Beach right now. Just see the view. View is so beautiful. I have looked for an isolated place for myself so that I can shoot a video for you people. That side there are lots of tourists. I can't believe that so many tourists have come to Baga Beach and Kalangut Beach. Goa में tourist हैं, लेकिन most of the tourists are only roaming around in Kalangut and Baga Beach, but rest of the places are actually empty. Let's check out the status and other eateries points here. I went to Britos also, so I'll take you at Britos in this vlog. So without any further delay, let's begin the vlog. Let's see what all clubs are open in Tito's Lane. This is Cape Town Cafe and Club. Hi, there's no crowd today? What time you will open?
We are open now, but you want a club, you can come after 8.
After 8. Club will open after 8. And what time do you close?
By 1, after 11, right?
After 11?
Keep like after
Okay.
later.
Crowd is coming?
Yeah, good crowd.
Good crowd? All the best.
Thank you.
This is Club Kamaki just ahead of Cape Town Cafe, and this is also closed as of now. थोड़ा आगे चलकर आपको टीटोज मिलता है, but I've already told you in my last video that Tito's is sold out and they are not operational right now. This is Cafe Mambo's. देखते हैं यहाँ का क्या सीन है. About your cover charges and all, how much is it?
Yeah, ma'am. Couple is 1,000.
Couple is 1,000.
Single
Okay.
is 2,000.
Single is 2,000 stack के लिए. And what about girls?
Free entry.
Free entry for girls. And the cover charges is included for food and everything now. And what time you are open?
We
What time do
open
you
at
start, I'm
1.
saying?
1.
At 1. Until 11 p.m. Okay. That's all I wanted to know. Thank you. So as of now, this entire place is empty and the crowd starts coming at around 7 p.m. So this is the current status of Baga Beach from Tito's Lane. So let's go on the beach and check out the status there. There are a lot of tourists, as you can see here. Now you can see yourself what is the status through this video. But it's too hot right now, so better not to come on beach in afternoon time. गोवा में अभी सारे स्पा एंड मसाज पार्लर्स भी बंद मिलेंगे आपको. This is the main road of Baga Beach that goes towards Baga Beach. So we'll check out the status of this place here. This is one of the famous beach shack at Baga. It's a beach facing shack and right now they are not operational due to some reasons. Today?
Morning was open.
Oh, morning it was open. Let's check out another beach shack called Britos. This is also one of the famous beach shack at Baga. And they have good music, good food, also good ambience. Hi. Sorry? No one. I'll manage, no problem, that's okay, thanks. So this is how it looks from inside. The interior is very nice and unique here. So Britos के अंदर ही एक छोटा सा tattoo studio भी है. And let's go to the beach side and check out the status. After some time we'll come back and have some food. Right now it is 3 p.m. in the afternoon and it's very hot outside, so I really don't want to go in sun out there. Let's go back and have food inside and wait for sunset time. So they have given a Goan touch to the menu and the menu is very vast. You can try Feni and Goan food here. So I'm gonna try pasta today. I'm not very hungry, so my pasta is here. So sun is about to set now and the temperature is a bit cool, so I have come outside and these people have put up their chairs outside and tourists are sitting here now. काफ़ी crowd दिख जाएगा आपको अभी बागा बीच में, बहुत tourist हैं यहाँ पर. But one thing I did not like that some of the tourists and some people are not wearing their mask, which is very bad actually. You should always keep wearing your mask for your and everybody's safety. So this is the current status at Baga Beach, as you can see. And water sports are shut right now. Water sports are not happening because of monsoon. It's not a good time to go inside water. इसलिए बीच बीच में यहाँ पर लाइफ गार्ड्स आके लोगों को बोल के भी जाते हैं कि पानी में मत जाओ, पानी में मत जाओ. But still there are a lot of people venturing inside water, which is not really safe actually. ठीक है, इधर आसपास तक आप रह सकते हो पानी में, बट बहुत अंदर नहीं जाना प्लीज़। कभी भी कोई बड़ी वेव आ सकती है एंड इट कैन टेक यू इनसाइड वाटर। सो यहाँ पर आपको प्रोफेशनल फोटोग्राफर्स भी मिल जाएंगे जो आपका कपल फोटो शूट कर सकते हैं। हियर सम पीपल आर गेटिंग दिस डन फॉर देमसेल्व्स। So there are a lot of shacks open on the beach right now. Food options are there. You can come here, chill and enjoy. Evening में तो यहाँ का सीन ही कुछ अलग होता है, लाइटिंग्स अच्छी होती हैं एंड वाइब्स बहुत अच्छे होते हैं। Most of the market is also open. यहाँ पर ये टैक्सी स्टैंड भी है बागा बीच मेन एंट्रेंस पे।
All glasses, any?
Upside on the
Upside?
downside 100, upside 300, 400, 550.
Okay, that differs.
All different price.
What about those?
100 upside different price.
ये सब 100 है।
सो ये बागा का मेन एंट्रेंस है। काफ़ी क्राउड है यहाँ पर भुट्टे भी बेच रहे हैं। भुट्टा इज़ माई फेवरेट बट आई एम ऑलरेडी फुल सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू हैव। These are the tourists here. You can see parking is almost full, so you can understand that how many tourists are coming these days. Let's go to the Tito's Lane and see the status out here. काफ़ी shops open है। Tattoos का तो काफ़ी shops open है। Tattoo shop मेरे को बहुत attract करती है, पता नहीं क्यों। But see, a cloth market is also open. Clubs का status मैं already आपको दे चुकी हूँ in my इनिशियल ऑफ दिस वीडियो। एंड यहाँ पर देखो रॉन्ग साइड से लोग क्यों आते हैं, मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आता। वाई पीपल कम फ्रॉम द रॉन्ग साइड। सो दीज ब्यूटीफुल शॉप्स आर देयर। यहाँ पर फिश स्पा होता है।
फिश स्पा कितने का है? 100 रुपीज फॉर हाउ मच? 20 मिनट्स। ओके। They bite the dead skin.
So these people are enjoying food spa. यहाँ पे भी बहुत सारी shops open हैं. I'm happy that shops are getting open and market is getting open. But please make sure to follow COVID guidelines, guys. So this is the vibe of Goa. So a lot of places have got open now here in Tito's Lane. देखो ये लोग यहाँ पर ओवरलोड करके स्कूटी चलाते हैं। एक स्कूटी पर 4-5 लोग। माय गॉड।
This is fish pav. How much is it for? 150 per person. 30 minutes. It's about to rain, I guess. I hope you liked this video. If you really did, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. See you soon in my next vlog. Till then, bye bye. Take care.